Mountain Brook, tucked beneath the treetops. There's a place where the pace is easy, but the spirit shines bright. A place where you can't help but want to stay just a little bit longer. Where shopping is an art form. Taste is a love language. And style? Well, it runs in the village. A place where families gather, friends linger, and every visit feels tailored to you. Whether you're here for quiet trails, bold flavor, or something beautifully in between, Mountain Brook, it takes a village, and we like it that way.